My name is Amanda Fletcher and I graduated from Electrical Engineering Technician Power. I knew I wanted to do something hands-on. After researching a couple different colleges, Mohawk came up as the #1 for skilled trades. My dad was an electrical engineer, my mom was a mechanical engineer. I always helped my dad around the house, so I went to electrical engineering because that's what interested me and what I loved doing. I knew I wanted to definitely do something technical and support and just anything that would keep me up with the ever-changing technology.
So of course they're looking for technical experience and knowledge, but we find that industry is also very interested in what was called soft skills or transferable skills, design projects, and opportunity for students to demonstrate all of those skills. So some of our industry partners will see a skill set that they feel they need, and at the end of the day, I'm always happy to receive an email from one of our industry partners inviting a list of students to submit their applications to a personal or private email within the firm.
The role of career advancement with the capstone is to really work them towards that end product of presenting to the industry judges. Because a lot of students, I mean most people, don't really like presenting to people.
Because of the presentation I did at the end of my semester 4, there was a panel of judges and Gary Electric had a representative on that panel of judges, and I got an email from my instructor saying I had an opportunity to do an interview with Gary Electric. That led to my position here. I had a job before I graduated.